Atlanta's dining scene is on a different level with newly recognized Michelin restaurants. And luckily, the MICHELIN Bib Gourmand recognition highlights restaurants that provide an authentic and high-quality experience at an affordable price. Follow along as we dive into a day of dining at Atlanta's MICHELIN Bib Gourmand restaurants. First stop, breakfast at Bomb Biscuit. You can enjoy a full breakfast and brunch menu ranging from delicious baked goods like cinnamon rolls to hearty breakfast sandwiches and brunch plates. Head over to Krog District and work up an appetite walking the Beltline. When you're ready for lunch, Fred's Meat and Bread Company inside Krog Street Market has you covered. Get ready for deliciously juicy burgers in a casual setting. If you're more of a seafood lover, you can check out Fishmonger for unique and fresh plates. The raw oysters are a fan favorite and the shrimp roll is hard to put down. As dinner rolls around, you can never pass up Atlanta's soul food staple, the Busy Bee Cafe. Currently serving takeout only, this is the perfect meal to take and enjoy somewhere relaxing after a long day on the go. Luckily, there's more to discover. Check out discoveratlanta.com for more restaurants to add to your Bib Gourmand checklist.